Hello guys, this is manager of Jackson TV inviting you to watch this video tutorial on familiarizing yourself in the user interface of Filmora 9. So before we proceed in video editing, so it is prerequisite. So if you are interested to familiarize yourself on the user interface of Filmora 9, so I am inviting you to watch this video and to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and please hit the notification bell and to be updated on my next video tutorial on video editing using Filmora 9. By the way guys, I would like to say thank you to those schools or teachers sent us invitation to be a speaker in the video editing training using Filmora 9. So without further ado, so let us now start. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is open the application or software, which is we call Filmora 9. So after we open the application, so we are going to we can see the user interface of Filmora 9. Okay, so the user interface I divided into 4 sections. The first section is we call this one. Okay, so this one is we call editing function. So you will see the media, audio, title, transition, effect, element, and split screen. So the next one, okay, so the next one is import video. So once you import video, you will found here in this area, and once you drag the video for video editing, it will be found in timeline. And this one, this black area, we called it preview. So let us now observe what will be happen, or what exactly what I mean. For example, okay, so editing function. So once we import video, automatically it will place in this section. So once we drag it to the timeline, okay, so the video will be appear in our timeline and also to the preview. So let us now, okay, so let us now discuss the different editing function. So we have media. So under media we have project media. So example of that, video or yung mga materials, raw materials that you are going to edit. So we call it project media. Share media, kung nag-share, then folder. So pwede tayong mag-upload by folder or by files or video. Then sample color, ayan. So makikita nyo may different colors available dyan na pwede nyo gamitin i-background kapag kayo ay nag-chroma key. Then sample video. So may mga sample video din dyan na pwede nyo magamit. It is free. Okay, para sa inyong video editing. So diba? Mas madali. Ano po? So ang kagandahan sa Filmora, mas madali yung pag-edit kaysa dun sa Adobe Premiere. Lalo-lalo sa experience ko kasi nag-try din ako ng Adobe Premiere. Dito kasi may mga template na siya na ready to use na. Unlike dun sa Adobe Premiere na naka-detailed siya, ikaw mismo yung gagawa. Okay. So, the next one, we have audio. So, we have different audio available and free. Ano po? Nada-download siya for free. Then, we can use this video in our video editing. And the next one, we have title. Okay, so the next one, we have title. So, custom, kung nag-customize tayo ng title. Opening or openers. So, ito. Ang kaibahan ng openers, pag ginamit natin to, kumbaga, matatakpan yung video natin. Ano po, ayan o. So, makikita nyo, matatakpan yung video natin pag play natin siya. Pero kapag ang ginamit natin ay etong title, makikita yung video natin. Oh. So, yun yung kaibahan. Pag lower naman, doon lang siya sa lower side. O lower side. Lower part pala, rather. So, yan. Okay, dyan lang siya sa lower part, lalabas. Then, subtitle. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng subtitle, ayan. Ano po? And, credits tayo. Yung mga source na kinuha natin. So, para ma-recognize. Ayan, cast of character. Okay, so, hello, mga sa pelikula. Then, kung may favorite kayo, palagay na lang dyan. Ano po? Huwag lang yung pagkain. Another in editing function, we have transition. So, once na i-click mo yung transition, so, you will find the different available and free transition that ready to use for your video editing. So, yan. So, hindi ko na siya isa-isahin kasi napakadami niya. Then, after that, the next one, we have effects. So, yan. So, pwede nyo gamitin. Sample tayo ng isa. So, tignan natin dyan. So, yan. So, pwede nyo gamitin itong mga different effects na to sa Filmora. Ano po? Para lalo pa ninyong ma-enhance o maging kumbaga, realistic yung inyong editing based doon sa idea ninyo or doon sa imagination ninyo. So, ang dami niyan. So, the next one, we have the so-called elements. Okay, so elements, ayan. So, again, free po siya. You need, again, so it is free. You are going to do is just click the download button and it will be automatically downloaded by the application itself. Okay, so yan. And another editing function, screen or split screen. So, if you want to split the screen like this, okay. Yan, so go to the media. Hindi. Okay. Once again, this is manager of Jackson TV. Okay, so yan po. So once you click the split screen, so this video tutorial, two videos can play on the same time. Take two. Hello guys, this is manager of Jackson TV, inviting you to watch this video tutorial on familiarizing yourself in the user interface of. So there are different kinds of split screen that available in this editing function. So it's free and again ready to use for your editing. So the last one is the export button. So if you are done in video editing, you may export the finished product. So there are a lot of options if you are going to save it in your device or in your laptop, or you are going to upload it in YouTube, Vimeo, and DVD. So I think that's it for this video tutorial. So I hope you are now familiarized in the user interface of Filmora 9. So again, this is manager of Jackson TV and inviting you to subscribe in my YouTube channel as a form of gratification. And please hit also the notification bell and to be updated on my next video. Thank you for watching.